Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to upgrade and replace the license plate lights on your 2014 to around 2019 Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, GMC Yukon, GMC Yukon XL, and your Cadillac Escalade. Oh, and before we start, I got these bulbs from AutoZone. Really weird situation. When I called Cadillac, they said it was one size, but when I called AutoZone, they said that size doesn't exist, and they looked up the car and they said it was a different size. I don't remember the sizes, but they will be in the description down below. But so I'm going to be using these cool white Sylvania LEDs, which I'm pretty sure are made by Osram. And all in, I have two of them. You're going to need two of them. And it cost me 22 bucks, so it's about $11 a light. And they don't keep them in stock. You're gonna have to pay for them up front and order them, but yeah, that's what we're going to be installing today. Alright guys, also for this repair, you won't need any tools. All you need are your hands. So Joe, come close. Here are the two license plates lights. These are going to be the same on the Chevy, GMC, and Escalade. If you come close, Joe, I don't know if they're going to be able to see, there is a little like, I don't know, indented tab here. Can they see it? Yeah. All you want to do is push inward. Oh man, that hurt my nail. You want to push inward and it'll pop it out, right? And then, what do? I think you twist this sideways. Yeah, you twist it sideways and there's your bulb, okay? So once you pull it off, I don't usually recommend this, but with these, you really have no option. You have to grab the bulb and pull it right out, just like that. And that's your bulb. Cool. So now let's get our aftermarket lights here. Look guys, there you go. You can see the difference between the two. This one does look way bigger. I don't know if it's gonna fit, but we'll see what happens. But that's what they look like side to side. Can they see it? All good? Okay, so yeah, that is what we're working with. And let's just go ahead, plug this back in. Wow, I am touching the bulb all over. That's not good. I think that's as far as it's gonna go. You know what we'll do? Here, keep it rolling. Let's see if it even turns on. Did it turn on? No? Alright guys, so if you saw, I don't know if I edited it out or not, but this bulb, when I plugged it in one way, it didn't turn on, but we took it out, flipped it upside down, and it worked. So if you're using the same bulb and you plug it in and it doesn't work, try taking it out and plugging it back in the other way. It'll probably work. But look, you can see the difference right here. Joe, come close. You see the difference? Night and day difference, guys. So let's just go ahead and put this back together again. Look, you can see, by the way, that there is a locking mechanism. So when we're twisting it, we're getting these hooks to line up with this so we can slide it right out. So when we're putting it back in, Joe, slide it, come around to this side so you can see it going in. What we're doing is lining up these two tabs on the outside with this line. Okay, we're lining it in so it slides in, and then we twist and it pops. Cool. And then we're just gonna tuck this in, right? Left side first, or actually, shouldn't we do the right side first? And there we go. Bam, look at that. Now look at the difference. Night and day, am I right? Okay, so now for this one, it's going to be the exact same process as this one. This one we pushed, basically for both of them, you want to push inwards into the car. So this one was on the right side, so we pushed left. This one's on the left side, so we're going to push right. So just go ahead and... Alright guys, finally got the other side off. Ended up having to need a plastic trim removal piece right here. You can get a kit like this down here. Comes with a bunch of these guys for about 15 bucks on Amazon. I've had this for 2 years. It's helped me a lot, honestly. And Joan, come here. Come up. What I ended up doing is taking this, jamming it in here, and peeling it off because my hands alone was not enough. There was like a seal still on this one, and it was kind of like gluey and stuff, and it wasn't coming off. But so same process, right? Push it in. Light comes out, go ahead and twist this entire black piece. Wow, this thing is starting to get kind of hot. Twist it, there's your light bulb, right? And if you're doing this at home, you're probably going to want to use a pair of rubber gloves so you don't mess up the bulb. The reason we don't want to touch the bulbs like I'm doing right now is because the oils on your finger will actually get on the glass and they'll stay there. And when the bulb runs and creates all that heat, that oil helps trap the heat and it'll burn out the filaments inside a lot faster than if there was no oil. So that's the reasoning behind that. I wouldn't do what I'm doing in here, you know, don't do this at home, basically. But so again, we're gonna grab that new bulb, plug it right in. It doesn't like to go in, man. It feels like it's a size too big, but I don't know. Okay, there we go. I think that's about as far in as it's gonna go. Let me start it up and see if it starts. Wow, did I put it in the wrong way 2 times? All right, look. We'll just keep this on camera so they can see. So it didn't turn on that way, but now watch. If I take it out and plug it in the other way, there we go, see? Turns on right away. Great. This is so unprofessional what I'm doing. I should have grabbed gloves. But so that's all good. And again, Joe, swing to my left side here so they can see. We're going to line up these 2 tabs on the side of this black piece with these 2 lines here and then twist them in. So again, we just want to line them up and twist till it clicks and then push it in. Just like that. And now let's go ahead. Can you see it? That's what it looks like when the job is done. And let's just close the trunk completely so you guys can see. Look at that. Let's show it from underneath. That is the finished result. Honestly, in my opinion, it makes a huge difference compared to the halogen bulbs Cadillac slapped in here. But that's all there is to it, guys. Quick and easy little modification to make your car look a whole lot better. I hope you guys found this entertaining, and I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you guys next video.